Bem-vindo à nossa aula de inglês. Hoje o nosso tema será Past Continuous. Nós veremos o Past Continuous nas três formas: forma afirmativa, negativa e interrogativa. Mas antes, vamos relembrar o verbo to be no passado. I was, eu era ou eu estava. He was, ele era ou ele estava. She was, ela era ou ela estava. Mas nesse caso, nós vamos vamos utilizar apenas o sentido estava e não era. You were, você estava. We were, nós estávamos. E they were, eles ou elas estavam. A nossa fórmula para o past continuous é a seguinte: o verbo to be no passado mais um verbo mais o ing. Antes vamos ver alguns verbos: buy, know, sell, drive, drink, eat, speak, see, cook. Então, quando nós utilizamos um verbo e acrescentamos ing, então esse verbo é como se fosse gerúndio no português. Então, por exemplo, o verbo work é trabalhar. Quando nós acrescentamos o ing, nós transformamos em working, trabalhando. Going, indo. Studying, estudando. Driving, dirigindo. Cooking, cozinhando. Sleeping, dormindo. Drinking, bebendo. E eating, comendo. Então, na forma afirmativa, relembrando a fórmula: to be no passado, mais o verbo, mais ing. Por exemplo, I was, eu estava. Going, indo. I was going, eu estava indo. I was going. I was going to school. Eu estava indo à escola. Então, relembrando: verbo to be no passado, mais o verbo com ing. I was going. Waiting. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. Study. I was studying. Drink. Carol was drinking coffee. Carol was drinking coffee. Eat, comer. Lembrando, quando nós acrescentamos ing, nesse caso fica eating. Então, he was eating. He was eating. Ele estava comendo. Read. Peter was reading a book. Peter was reading a book. Work. Acrescentando ing, working. I am working. Eu estou trabalhando. Esse já é o verbo to be no presente. Mas e se eu quisesse dizer eu estava trabalhando? Aí nesse caso eu teria que passar o verbo to be para o passado, que seria I was working. Sleep, dormir. Sleeping, dormindo. He was sleeping. Ele estava dormindo. She was sleeping. I was eating bread. I was eating bread. She was making a cake. She was making a cake. Na forma negativa, nós acrescentamos o not logo após o passado do verbo to be. Então, I was not going. I was not going. Eu não estava indo. I was not going to school. I was not going to school. I was not waiting for you. I was not waiting for you. I was not reading. I was not reading. Perceba que o not vem sempre logo após o verbo to be no passado. I was not reading. I was not going to school. I was not going to school. He was not going to school. He was not going to school. She was not cooking. She was not cooking. They were not driving. They were not driving now. Past continuous, forma interrogativa. Nesse caso, nós invertemos o verbo. O verbo to be no passado. Nesse caso, nós colocamos o verbo na frente e logo depois vem o pronome ou um nome. Nesse caso, were you studying? Were you studying? Perceba que nesse caso, na forma interrogativa, o verbo vem primeiro. Was he sleeping? Was he sleeping? Was she cooking? Was she cooking? Were they going to New York? Were they going to New York? Were you doing your homework? Were you doing your homework? Vamos ver algumas perguntas e respostas. Were you drinking soda? Were you drinking soda? No, I was drinking juice. No, I was drinking juice. Was he going to London? Was he going to London? No, he was going to New York. No, he was going to New York. Was Bob driving? Was Bob driving? No, he was sleeping. No, he was sleeping. Was Helen making a cake? Was Helen making a cake? No, she was going to work. No, she was going to work. Exercícios. Passe as sentenças para o inglês. Tradução. Were you doing your homework? Were you doing your homework? Você estava fazendo sua lição de casa? Vamos lá. Você estava indo para New Jersey? Você estava indo para New Jersey? Were you going to New Jersey? Were you going to New Jersey? Você estava bebendo chá? Were you drinking tea? Were you drinking tea? Ele estava dormindo? Was he sleeping? Was he sleeping? Ela estava cozinhando? Was she cooking? Was she cooking? Eles estavam trabalhando? Were they working? Were they working? Chegamos ao final de mais uma aula de inglês. Espero que você tenha gostado. Bons estudos e até a próxima aula.